Hello students, this is step 1 of chapter 5. This chapter covers how to work with images in a website. So what we're going to do, this is the root folder that you unzipped. It's called My Pod. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start off by opening a new instance of Notepad. And in here we're going to create a web page real quick. I just want to show you how you can link to an image. A lot of the images have URLs. Like all of the images in Google Images have URLs. So we're going to link specifically to that. So let's just open an HTML page. We'll do this real quick. And then we're going to open a head tag. And we're going to give it a title. And we're going to call it Sharpen Your Pencil. That's going to be the title. And then close title. And then we'll close the head tag. And then we're going to open a body tag. And then we're going to open a P tag. And we're going to say, how long a line can you draw with the typical pencil? Question mark. Close P. Alright, then I'm gonna leave a couple of lines here, and then I'm gonna close the P tag, and then I'm gonna close the body, and then I'm gonna close the HTML. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is, rather than link to an image that we have in our website or in one of our folders, our images folders or whatever, we're gonna link to an outside source. Okay, and I know this image exists. So the image is RC equals open quote, and now we're going to do http://www.headfirstlabs.com/trivia/pencil.gif. Close quote. Close the bracket. Okay? And now we'll Control S. And we're going to save this inside the MyPods HTML. And we're going to call it pencil.html. And we have to save as type HTML. Click Save. Now we'll go back to our folder, go inside HTML, and let's open it and see what happens. If you did it correctly, it should look like this. Okay? Because all we basically did is we linked to an image on the internet that has a URL. Okay? So now that we have that, I'm going to also show you an important concept we're going to be learning this chapter, and that's using the alt tag. So if an image doesn't show up, oftentimes you want an alternative to show up in its place. So what we're going to do is we're going to go inside the image tag, space after the quote, and put the alt tag. Now these alt tags, when we start validating, are going to become required. So you're going to get used to them. Every image is going to have an alt tag. If you don't, it's not going to validate, and you're going to wonder why, okay? So we're going to put something specific that will show up in place of the image. In other words, pencil line 35 miles long, okay? Now we're going to intentionally break this link. So I'm going to put, instead of GIF, I'm going to put GIY. That's going to intentionally break the link. Control S, go back to the page, and when I refresh it, the image no longer shows, but the alt tag still shows. So if a person can't see the image, they still get the content. Okay, so we're going to go back and quickly change this back to its original code. Control S and refresh. Okay, so that's the end of step 1, chapter 5. Thanks for watching.